Hello guys, in this video we will compare OnePlus 12 and iQOO 12 Pro. So guys, first we start from the price because it varies from country to country. So OnePlus 12 official price is $800 and 65k in India, while iQOO 12 Pro official price is $780 and 60k in India. So here is the difference in prices, $800 and $780. So guys, both are 5G smartphone as both have almost same price and specification. So guys, in this video first we look at the specific and then I tell you which is worth buying, and I also share my experience. So guys, this is overall performance of OnePlus 12 and iQOO 12 Pro. So let's talk on in general. So OnePlus 12 have Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, and as you can see iQOO 12 Pro have same Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and almost they have both display is OnePlus 12 have 6.82 inches display, while iQOO 12 Pro has 6.78 inches. So here is small difference in display size. And now let's talk about the rear camera. So both have triple camera setup, 50 megapixel, 48 megapixel and 60 megapixel, almost same camera. Front camera both have different, in OnePlus 12 hour have 32 megapixel and iQOO 12 Pro have 16 megapixel only camera. So let's talk about the battery. So OnePlus 12 have good battery setup, 5400 mAh battery, while iQOO 12 Pro have 5100 mAh. So guys, now as you can see both have same storage, 256 GB. So guys, let's talk about the general. So launch date, as you can see, so launch date is 23rd January and of OnePlus 12, and iQOO 12 Pro have launch date 25th July to be expected. Both have 14 Android operating systems, and as you can see they both have same chipset, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, and both are best in class, means both have same performance. And now let's talk about the CPU. Both have a octa-core processor and both have architecture 64 bit, and both have same chipset, means 4 nanometer chipset size, and both have same graphics Adreno 750, and iQOO 12 Pro have 16 GB RAM, while OnePlus 12 have 12 GB only RAM. So in RAM I suggest you to go iQOO 12 Pro. So guys, now let's talk about the display. So OnePlus 12 have both have AMOLED display and both have almost same screen size as OnePlus 12 have a bigger size, 6.82 inches, while iQOO 12 Pro have a little smaller size, 6.78 inches, and both have almost same resolution, both have almost same aspect ratio. So because of smaller screen size, so resolution is also smaller, also aspect ratio is smaller, and both have almost same PPI density, but PPI does not matter at all, and both have same body ratio 90:89, and as you can see OnePlus 12 have Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection on the screen, while iQOO 12 Pro you cannot see here the option in iQOO 12 Pro. Both have same punch hole display, and both have multi touch screen, and as you can see OnePlus 12 have extra feature of 600 nits when you are outdoors. It have good brightness in OnePlus 12. So guys, here as you can see the refresh rate. So OnePlus 12 have 120 Hz refresh rate, as iQOO 12 Pro have only 144 Hz refresh rate. So so according to my opinion, OnePlus 12 is somehow better performance than iQOO 12 Pro. So guys, as you can see the dimension, the both have same width, height, and thickness. Both have almost same. There's small difference in height and width and thickness as well. And as you can see weight, 220 grams weight of OnePlus 12, and iQOO 12 Pro have weight of 205 grams. So guys, as you can see OnePlus 12 has the extra feature Gorilla Glass protection, and you can see the colors silver, flowy, emerald, silky screen. These are the colors of OnePlus 12, and burning weight, trek version, legend edition, these are the colors of iQOO 12 Pro, and both have IP65 protection. iQOO 12 Pro have IP68 rating, so both have different rating. And now let's talk about both have dust and water protection. So guys, now let's talk about the camera setup. As I said, they both have same camera, triple camera setup, 50 megapixel primary lens and 48 megapixel and 64 megapixel, 50 megapixel, 50 megapixel and 64 megapixel. So here is ultra wide lens. In OnePlus 12 have 48 megapixel and iQOO 12 Pro have 50 megapixel ultra wide lens. So guys, as you can see, both have a CMOS image sensor. So guys, here you can see both have almost in OnePlus 12 have slow-mo, dual video recording option and ultra HD video and video pro mode, but in iQOO 12 Pro have only slow-mo option. As you can see, both are very good selfie camera. 32 megapixel OnePlus 12 have 32 megapixel selfie camera, while iQOO 12 Pro have 16 megapixel only selfie camera. So guys, both have a dual LED flash light and both have resolution almost same, and shooting modes, continuous shooting, HDR, both have same. And OnePlus 12 have extra feature super moon. And camera features, as you can see, these are the camera features. And you can video record at 60 fps in OnePlus 12, while you cannot see here the option in iQOO 12 Pro. So guys, as you can see here, both have almost same battery backup. In OnePlus 12 have 5400 mAh battery, while iQOO 12 Pro have 5100 mAh battery, and both are Li polymer manufacturer. And these are the wireless and quick charging and type C USB both have. And now let's talk about the internal memory. Both have same 256 GB OTG and no extendable memory. So guys, let's talk about the extra features. So OnePlus 12 have no FM radio. As you can see, both have no FM radio. Stereo type both have loudspeakers, both have type C jack, and both have fingerprint sensor. And